What's up, guys? If you want stress-free tire changes, an electric car jack is a game changer. It lifts your vehicle in seconds with zero effort, even in emergencies. Compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly, it delivers safe, stable lifting anywhere. Keep one in your trunk and handle breakdowns like a pro, fast, easy, and confidently. So, let's get started. Number 6 is ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack. Power, safety, and convenience. Grab the ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack now at 31% off for just $99. This 5-ton jack lifts vehicles in 60 seconds with effortless one-touch control. Its ABS body, anti-slip base, and safety locks ensure stable operation anytime, even at night with LED lighting. The all-in-one emergency kit includes sockets, gloves, and a safety hammer. With a 350 Nm impact wrench and built-in air pump, you can lift, remove lug nuts, and inflate tires fast. Perfect for any roadside emergency. The next is number 5. TaskStar 5-ton electric car jack kit. Ultimate tire change solution for emergencies. This electric car jack is the perfect all-in-one roadside emergency tool for drivers who want fast, easy, and reliable tire changing. Designed with a 5 tons, 11,000 pounds lifting capacity and a height range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, it can effortlessly lift sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks under 2 tons to full height in just 5 minutes, making it especially user-friendly for anyone, including women. Key features: effortless tire changing assistant. Powerful hydraulic performance and simple operation make it a go-to tool for quick, safe lifting without physical strain. Portable impact wrench. The kit includes an inch electric impact wrench with 2 dual-size sleeves 17-19 mm and 21-23 mm for quick lug nut removal. With up to 450 Nm torque, tire removal becomes fast and easy. Easy one-click inflation. The integrated tire inflator has a one-click inflation function and includes 2 nozzles stored in hidden toolboxes. The tire pressure display allows real-time monitoring. Safe and convenient in any weather. Equipped with bright LED lights for nighttime visibility and waterproof connectors, this jack works reliably in rain or shine. A durable toolbox with a red triangle acts as a roadside warning sign. Stable and durable design. A reinforced steel rod, wide aluminum base, and self-locking mechanism ensure stable operation and enhanced safety. It also auto-stops at max height to avoid overextension. The TaskStar Jack Kit combines performance, portability, and safety, ideal for daily drivers and roadside emergencies alike. The next is number 4. Greenworks 3-ton 24 volts cordless car jack kit. Reliable lifting with cordless freedom. This cordless car jack kit offers a powerful, portable solution for lifting your vehicle safely and easily, without the need for tangled cords or external power sources. Whether for emergency roadside use or home garage maintenance, this cordless jack is built to deliver. Key features: 24 volts cordless car jack. Powered by a 24 volts battery, this electric hydraulic jack supports vehicles up to 3 tons. With a jacking force of 1.55 tons and a lifting range of 6.1 to 17.5 inches 155 to 445 millimeters, it's ideal for most sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. Adjustable lifting height. With a lift height range of 6/1/8 to 17/2, this jack meets the needs of a variety of vehicles under the 3-ton weight class, making it a versatile tool for everyday drivers. Self-locking safety system. Equipped with a self-locking power structure and overload protection, the jack adds an extra layer of safety during use. For maximum protection, it's advised to use jack stands alongside the jack. Enhanced user features. Designed with ease in mind, it features simple one-button lift operation, built-in LEDs, and orange flashlights to illuminate your workspace, perfect for use in low light or emergency situations. Part of the 24 volts Powerall family, this car jack is compatible with Greenworks 24 volts Powerall platform, offering seamless battery use across 125 plus indoor and outdoor tools. With cordless convenience, user-friendly design, and solid safety features, the Greenworks 3-ton car jack is a smart investment for any car owner. The next is Number 3. Seesii 5-ton electric car hydraulic jack, cordless power for effortless lifting. This electric car hydraulic jack redefines roadside convenience with its cordless, battery-powered design. Built for modern drivers, this 5-ton jack offers unmatched ease, speed, and safety, making it an essential companion for emergencies, long road trips, and routine maintenance. Key features: cord-free and hassle-free. Say goodbye to tangled cords and cigarette lighter fuses. The cordless Seesii jack delivers total freedom. Just place it under your vehicle and press a button. No more crawling around or wrestling with cables. Simple one-button operation. With both remote and onboard button control, lifting is effortless. Stay safely at a distance or operate directly. Either way, you'll have your vehicle lifted without strain or stress. Long-lasting and fast charging. The built-in 4,000 mAh lithium battery supports 6 to 8 full lifts per charge, and a fast charging system powers it up in just 100 minutes. Always ready when you need it, ideal for frequent travelers and roadside emergencies. Fast lifting in 90 seconds. This jack gets the job done fast, lifting your car in just 90 seconds. No manual effort, no wasted time. Whether you're in your garage or on the highway shoulder, it's built to perform. Fits most vehicles. Supporting up to 5 tons 11,000 pounds and offering a 6.1 to 17.7 lift range, it's compatible with sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Designed for safety and stability, it ensures a secure lift every time. The Seesii electric hydraulic jack offers unmatched convenience for drivers who value power, portability, and peace of mind. The next is Number 2. E-HEELP electric car jack kit. 5-ton powerhouse for fast, easy vehicle lifting. The E-HEELP electric car jack kit is an advanced, high-performance roadside tool that takes the hassle out of tire changes and emergency repairs. Designed to lift up to 5 tons effortlessly, this 12 volts hydraulic car jack kit is ideal for drivers of sedans, SUVs, MPVs, pickups, and trucks. Key features: powerful car jack. This hydraulically driven electric jack lifts vehicles weighing up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. With a lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, it's compatible with nearly all vehicle types. Its robust hydraulic system delivers superior strength and performance compared to standard jacks. Change tires easily. Power the jack via a car battery or cigarette lighter. Battery connection is recommended for stable performance. A built-in tire inflator with a pressure display allows quick, efficient tire inflation while letting you monitor PSI levels at a glance. Even beginners will find it simple and fast. Portable impact wrench. The kit includes a compact, ergonomically designed electric impact wrench with 2 dual-size sleeves, compatible with most vehicles. With a high-powered motor and responsive speed control, it enables rapid screwing and unscrewing, saving time and energy during emergencies. Multi-scene application. Featuring 2 bright LED lights and waterproof cable connectors, this jack works even in rain or dark conditions. Perfect for roadside emergencies, garage work, farms, or travel, the E-HEELP kit offers reliable help wherever you are. This versatile tool is a must-have for safe, efficient vehicle maintenance. The next is Number 1. VEVOR electric car jack, the ultimate roadside emergency companion. The VEVOR electric car jack is a heavy-duty, all-in-one roadside tool designed to get you back on the road quickly and safely. Built with power, convenience, and efficiency in mind, it's an ideal addition to any driver's emergency kit. Key features: powerful electric car jack with an impressive lifting capacity of 5 tons 23 pounds and a range of 6.1 to 17.7 155 to 450 millimeters. This jack can handle sedans, SUVs, trucks, and more. Whether you're on the roadside or in your garage, it delivers safe, stable lifting for a wide range of vehicles. Lifted in minutes. No more struggling with manual jacks. This electric model reaches its full height in just 2 minutes. For added safety, it automatically stops once the maximum height is reached. Just make sure the jack is placed perpendicular on a flat surface before use. High-efficiency impact wrench. With a maximum torque of 450 Nm, the included electric impact wrench can remove or tighten lug nuts in seconds. It comes with 2 dual-size sleeves, 17, 19 mm and 21, 23 mm, ensuring compatibility with most vehicles on the market. Quick tire inflation. An integrated tire inflator pump with a pressure gauge helps in tire emergencies. The hidden side toolboxes keep the hose and needles neatly stored, allowing fast and organized access. For drivers looking for reliability and speed during breakdowns, the VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack kit is a must-have, so this is the best option for you to buy.